is Rebecca Lyons, and I am Head of Culinary Development here at eMeals. And it is back to school season, so we have got some tips and tricks for packing your child's lunchbox. Trying to cook a healthy breakfast, get our kids' lunchboxes packed, and get everyone out the door usually results in chaos, or at least it did at my house. And one tip I would give to you is pack your kids' lunches at night and let them help, because kids usually will eat things that they have a hand in helping with. So what I would say is create zones in your refrigerator and in your pantry that have items that you want them to put in their lunchboxes, but then let them choose. So that way it's done at night, you stick it in the refrigerator, and then you just grab lunchboxes in the morning. If your kids are making their sandwiches at night, I have one trick to keep them from getting soggy. If you're going to use bread, layer your bread, then your cheese or your meat, and then put the condiment on the cheese or the meat, and then put another piece of meat or cheese on top, then the other slice of bread. That keeps the condiments from soaking into the bread that will keep your sandwich from getting soggy. So then you can wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and your sandwich will taste exactly the same the next morning. And don't forget, you can use different things to make your sandwiches or wraps. You can always use low-carb tortillas, or you can do like crackers and cheese and meats, and they can assemble like their own sandwich, or just eat them together or eat them separately if your kids don't like things to touch. And remember, there are lots of options for packing your lunch. You can always do the brown bags, you can do the cute insulated lunch boxes, you can do these bento boxes like this that open and they have compartments and a fork and a spoon and everything, so you can assemble everything in there. Or if your child is really creative, you can get these containers like this, and you can let them decorate them with stickers. They open, and then they've got compartments that come out, and you can put them in the dishwasher and wash them, which are great, or you can assemble them however you want to. One fun thing I've let my daughter do is she loves to paint, and so she got acrylic paints and she painted this little thing on her lunchbox, and then we Mod Podged it, and she loved to take her lunchbox and show it off. So there's always fun ideas, whether it's stickers, paint, markers. You can do whatever and let your children just have fun. Don't forget to check out our healthy breakfast and healthy lunch plans for lots of mealtime inspiration. And don't forget, you can add the recipes to your cart, and it automatically populates your grocery list, and then it's really easy to send it to one of our grocery partners like Walmart. And you just drive through and pick up your groceries, and you don't even have to get out of your car. It can't be more simple.